Pros and cons of digital gold. India is the second largest gold consumer in the world. While physical gold holds a place of pride for all of us, how we invest in it is changing. Today, digital gold is emerging as a smarter, more convenient choice. If you are thinking about investing in digital gold but are on the fence, this video is for you. First, let's check the advantages. Affordable investment. You can invest in 24K digital gold starting at only 10 rupees with JioGold or JioFinance app. You can also start a JioGold SIP on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, making it a cost-effective way to accumulate gold. In comparison, gold ETFs need a demat account and start at 100 rupees, while physical gold demands thousands or even lakhs upfront. Easy to buy and sell online. Buy real gold anytime, anywhere, and you can sell it too right from the same platform with just a few clicks. 100% secure and insured. Your gold is stored in bank-grade vaults, fully insured for complete peace of mind. Easily exchangeable. Convert your digital gold into physical gold and get it delivered to your doorstep whenever you want. Now here are certain disadvantages too. GST. Just like physical gold, digital gold is subject to 3% GST on every purchase. However, the great news is that there is no GST charged when you sell your digital gold. Lack of regulation. Digital gold is not directly regulated by SEBI or RBI, raising investor protection concerns. However, it is backed by entities like the World Gold Council, which gives it credibility. Storage fee. Custodians may charge a storage fee after a certain period, depending on the platform. For example, JioGold on JioFinance app offers free storage for up to 5 years, with a minimal fee applicable thereafter. Maximum investment limit. Many platforms limit how much digital gold you can buy, with some capping total holdings at 2 lakh. Capital gain tax. Capital gains tax on digital gold depends on your holding period. If you sell within 24 months, the profit is treated as short-term capital gains and taxed as per your income slab. However, if you hold it for more than 24 months, it qualifies as long-term capital gains and is taxed at 12.5% without indexation benefits. Conversion charges. Digital gold is a convenient investment tool, offering the flexibility to be redeemed in physical form. However, when you convert it into physical gold, delivery and making charges may apply, potentially reducing your returns. Now that you know the pros and cons, you can make an informed decision about investing in digital gold. Follow Jio Financial Services for more such information on digital gold.